Hello, my name is Jen. I'm the Chief Stewardess on Motor Yacht Sovereign, and my tip for the day is the 6 Ps, which is prior preparation prevents piss-poor performance.
Hi, my name is Andrea. I am a stew here, and my tip of the day is make your job with love and love your job.
Great, okay.
My name is Claire from Motor Yacht Blind Date, and my stew tip is to remember to breathe and to be open to any advice you can get from people more experienced.
Hi, I'm Helen and welcome to Need K. My tip for the day is try to have a bit of clairvoyance as you go along. A little ESP goes a long way.
Hi, my name's Kiri Whitlock and I'm on board Motor Yacht Huntress 2. And my tip for the day is get to know your crew. Get to know what people's strengths are, what their interests are, and you'll be able to come up with something way greater than what you would come up with yourself.
Stay until tomorrow.
I'm Bethany Hodnefield and I'm the Chief Stew on 7Js. And my tip for stewardesses would be in a stressful situation, try to see the big picture and laugh your way through it.
Stay until tomorrow.
Hi, my name is Caitlin Rikers and I am Stew on Cocktails, and my tip for the day is if you want to keep your flowers living longer, you should put Sprite in the vase.
Hi there, my name is Astrid. I'm on Motor Yacht Kihikai. All this material was already on the boat, so my tip is to just work with what you have and have fun with it, and always put a little bit of humor.
Hi, my name is Nicolette. I'm on the Motor Yacht Star. My crew tip is to communicate with my crew about what the guests like. Maybe they pick up something that hasn't been heard, and so we can integrate it with the tabletop. And the setting is make something wild and crazy, and it usually comes off pretty good, most of the time.
Hi, my name's Anna. I'm the Chief Stewardess on Motor Yacht Dreamweaver, and my tip of the day is to utilise social media. Join the stewardessing groups, the provisioning groups, use Pinterest to help get advice, to get ideas, and to trade tips with all your fellow stews.
Hi, I'm Greta. I'm from Motor Yacht Clarity, and my tip of the day is when it comes to guest service and a little bit difficult guests to deal with, all you do is smile and wave.
Hi, my name is Rita Glover. I'm the Chief Stewardess on Motor Yacht Gravitas. My tip of the day is eating is like life, surrounding ourselves with the ones we love, savoring every moment and every bite. We thought that making a table, creating a table that is warm and welcoming for having a family sit down for hours enjoying every bite.
My name is Paula. I'm the Chief Stew on Motor Yacht Black Gold. It's a privately owned boat, so we have the same guests who come back repeatedly over the last 5 years. Therefore, my tip is that if there is a theme like Chinese New Year or St. Patrick's Day or Day of the Dead, then use it to the advantage and make sure that the guests have something memorable from the trip that they might not have gotten from the trip before.
Stay